Well, our nation and our state both have very long relationships with France, and we're very keen to build on that solid foundation for the future. In particular, we're looking to build our relationships in tourism, in student education, but also in advanced manufacturing, where we know that French companies lead the world in many ways. So this relationship is strong and important, and these sorts of forums bring together business, government and industry to work together and to look to the future for shared prosperity and benefit. We welcome investment by French companies into Queensland. We look to develop the relationships we already have. Our government has a number of specific roadmaps for the development of our economy. One of those is advanced manufacturing. Another is in relation to defence industries. Another is aerospace. And in all of those areas, France has a well-developed capacity in their own economy. They're looking to invest. We welcome that investment. And again, it's for mutual benefit between both of our nations and Queensland in particular. We think Queensland has some unique opportunities that would be of benefit to French companies, and our government will look to develop that, and I'll be keen to become a champion of that in my capacity as the Minister for State Development, Manufacturing, Infrastructure and Planning. Disruptive technologies are impacting on every part of the economy. My view is it's something we need to embrace. We need to embrace those challenges to create new industries, to create new jobs, and to create more wealth. And I think by collaborative partnerships with countries like France, we can benefit both domestically but build that relationship. Our state has a flagship program, Advance Queensland, which is about supporting, encouraging and enabling the innovation economy. We're almost leading Australia now when it comes to the number of startups in Australia. So our state is very committed to this, very committed to embracing technology across production chains, across industries, across sectors of the economy. We think it's exciting and we want to be part of it, and we welcome partnerships with companies from France to ensure that we can develop mutually beneficial outcomes for our states and for our nations.